welcome back to another video, and you all know who this is. This is my mom. So if you have missed the first video, it was asking my mom Harry Potter questions. So this is basically part 2, and I'm really excited to share the questions with you all. So mom, do you feel prepared?
Yes, I think I've seen Harry Potter once more after that.
I mean, the questions were easier last time, to be fair, but I kind of set them a little more difficult this time. I have the questions right here on my phone. So the first question is a little long one, and these don't have options. Okay, so there's no multiple choice. Name the Deathly Hallows in the order they are mentioned in. Which one of them was Harry the original owner of?
Okay, so Deathly Hallow has 3 components. The first one, the stick, is the Elder Wand, and then there is a resurrection stone, and then the triangle kind of a thing which is called invisible clock. Descended that invisible clock from his ancestors.
Yeah, correct. Okay, not bad.
I think Luna's father explained it so well. So
hats off to him.
I remember, and
good explaining, bro. Good explaining. The next question is kind of easy. What was the name of Lord Voldemort's snake?
Nagini.
Okay, and what was she?
She was a Horcrux.
Yeah, I just made that up, but yeah.
The last one which they killed, the
Who
Neville.
killed?
Neville.
Okay, good,
with
good.
With the Gryffindor sword.
Right. Very good, not bad. The next question is, how does Harry catch his first stitch? Yeah.
He catches in his mouth, so and then he falls down on the floor. People feel that he's going to puke, but finally he coughs and then the stitch comes into.
Okay, yeah, that was way more than detail than I asked for, but yes, that is the correct answer. If you just said that he caught it with his mouth, that would be enough. But good, huh?
Thank you.
Very descriptive answers. English teacher approves. Next question is, who killed Dobby with a knife?
Bellatrix.
Okay, and when did Dobby die? I mean, if you can answer.
He had gone to Harry to take him out of that jail. He aspirated all of them. Apparated all of them. But in the meanwhile, Bellatrix throw a knife and he gets hurt.
And actually,
Harry Potter buries him like a normal individual.
It was actually Draco Malfoy's house.
Okay.
I mean, jail वो उसके अंदर का वो dungeon type था, but it was his house.
Okay, so, I didn't know that, but.
The next question is, how did Hermione take extra classes in her 3rd year?
She had the time turner, so if she moves it, she can travel back and.
Yeah, there's nothing else to that. What is a Horcrux?
Horcrux basically is any object in which a person can keep his soul to become immortal. So Voldemort creates 7 Horcrux intentionally, and 8th one as Harry Potter unintentionally.
No. He creates 6 intentionally. 7th was unintentional. Harry was unintentional.
But wasn't that the 8th one?
That was the 7th. Okay, so the last question in this is, why did Dumbledore leave Harry the Sword of Gryffindor in his will?
Dumbledore wants to protect Harry, so he gives him that one is that snitch in which there is a resurrection stone, so when he dies he can meet his parents, and another one is sword to help him kill those Horcrux which he has created, and which Neville finally uses it to kill Nagini.
Yes, so how did the Sword of Gryffindor become a Horcrux?
Wait a minute!
No, Sword of Gryffindor is a Horcrux. It can kill a Horcrux.
How did it become an object to kill a Horcrux? That's
it has to have a bacillus venom for any object to be able to kill
yes,
the
so
Horcrux.
how did it basically get the basilisk venom?
I thought maybe Gryffindor house has given it a power, or
So when Harry in his second year, when Fox comes with the sorting hat and that, from that Harry pulls out the sword of Gryffindor and he uses that sword to basically kill the basilisk, and then it just plops to the ground.
Correct.
And during that time, so basically it just took in the basilisk venom, which made it stronger, and now it had the ability to kill a Horcrux.
Yeah, you are right. In the
Yeah,
second
so
Secret
that's-
of Chamber, he uses Gryffindor.
Okay, yeah,
sword
you
to
got
kill
that.
basilisk.
Yeah, you got that mostly. It's just like I asked you an extended question. So yeah, that's it basically.
So I was quite good in answering.
Yeah, and despite there was no
So I've seen
multiple
I've seen the movies very well.
I mean, you can never see the movies like
One eternity later.
always see them how many ever times you want.
And then you can pick a few more points. I guess.
So thank you
These
so
are
much for that.
intrigued movies. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, social distance.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. But anyway, yeah, that's it for I don't know till how long. So thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Bye.
coming on my channel. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
See y'all sometime soon. Why did you do that?